Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung WF45R6100AC 4.5 feet champagne front load washer with steam and the Samsung WF45R6100C 7.5 cubic feet. Electric steam sanitize plus dryer and champagne. The Samsung WF45R6100AC uses steam to provide powerful stain removal without the need for pretreatment while still being gentle on your clothing. It also features self-clean technology, which keeps your washer drum fresh and clean by eliminating 99% of bacteria. Plus, Samsung will send you a reminder to clean the drum every 40 wash cycles. The Samsung WF45R6100C electric dryer has a 7.5 quart powder coat tub in champagne and offers 11 dry cycles, 7 dry options, and 5 temperatures. It also features Smart Care technology, which allows for easy troubleshooting from the convenience of your smartphone. Smart Care interacts with your washer and dryer to perform an immediate diagnosis and offer quick solutions. So if you're in the market for a new washer and dryer that offer powerful stain removal, self-cleaning capabilities, and easy troubleshooting, then the Samsung WF45R6100AC and WF45R6100C might be the perfect choice for you. Check out the link in the description to find out more and make your purchase today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.